And ladies and gentlemen, Jens Davidson here again. So we're back at it to see how our progress is on the cast iron skillet. So it's been right about 24 hours. So let's go ahead and take it out of the bath and have a close look. Real simple procedure here. We're just going to take the entire bag, skillet, all that out of the water. Put it gently down the bottom of the tub here. And then we're going to roll the bag back. Just so I don't have to reach deep into the bag in order to get the skillet out. Okay. Well, not seeing an awful lot. Not sure what I can really expect from just 24 hours. Well, yeah, you know what? Some of this is definitely getting soft here. Yeah. Look at that. So that's definitely working. Oh yeah, I can feel the creosote back here. This is all soft. I'm going to actually rinse this off just so it's less schmoo that we ultimately have to take off here. That contaminates our lye. You have to do some decontamination on that faucet handle because I don't want to end up touching that later on with concentrated hydroxide salt on it once it dries. Yeah, we got bare cast iron here. I don't know how well that's going to show up in the camera because it's kind of far away. I don't want to bring it close, being kind of loaded with sodium hydroxide, but that's working for sure. And that's just 24 hours. I'm glad I went with 10 molar. I knew we'd need a pretty concentrated dose to handle this. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about that. I think within 3 to 5 days we might have ourselves a good clean skillet. Full beans. All right, back in the bag. We're gonna put it and leave it till tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for this one. We'll get back to this tomorrow and just keep doing short progress updates day by day. And yeah, again, this is good common sense lab safety. I've got 2 layers of latex gloves just in case one rips. I've got safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, all the safety precautions that I'm comfortable with. So don't try this at home. This stuff's very dangerous. It'll literally turn your skin into soap. So take that, and hope you enjoyed the show, and we'll catch you tomorrow.